What's the meaning of Cathy Come Home? Cathy Come Home. Cathy Come Home.
Cathy Come Home. Cathy Come Home. Cathy Come Home is a British television play first broadcast in 1966. It tells the story of a young couple's descent into homelessness and their struggle to keep their family together. The play had a significant impact on public opinion and prompted discussions about homelessness and social issues. It also led to the creation of the homeless charity organization called Shelter. Overall, Cathy Come Home raised awareness about the harsh realities of homelessness and sparked important societal changes.